Apparently there's an updating my game. So let's see if there is an update, or is it just gonna update my version. Oh yeah. Whew, getting ready. See what the update is. No, first I know it sounds stupid. I don't care, but I'm gonna still look. Sorry guys. Okay, HG. I don't know what I'm joining, but okay. No, I'll just leave and then I'd put it on casual. Sorry guys. I know it says that, but I'm still gonna look over there. It's not open. I just had to look, you know. That's the first thing I am good at. But I can't wait to see what's over there. Oh. Just to show you how long I have been a winter update. When I played in winter, I was in like I didn't know how to really get like cosmetics, so I just kind of skipped that. Then Valentine's Day came. I just didn't want anything because I really didn't want it at all. So I only got it from a house update. That's the only update I got from. I'm doing this backwards, so it's like a surprise. 3. Wait, hold on. 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Yo! Oh, yo, this is sick! Yo! This is so cool! Bro, I love this! Oh, bro, I want one so bad. As you can see, I'm really low right now, but I really want one. Oh, this is so cool! Bro! Oh, a little monkey! It's a little monkey! I need to get money. Okay, that's actually for the update. That is actually... Let me try this stuff on. Hold on, I'm gonna try everything on. So... Yeah, I'm not gonna buy it all, at least. That would be crazy. But I'm just trying to try them on. So first we got monkey. Monkey! We got blue, we got yellow, and we got egg. Egg. Got this. Mr. Beast. How about this? Oh, that is so funny! I love this! Bro, I want to get this stuff. Bro, that is so cool. You just is like a little boots. I can go like this. Oh, that is so cool, bro. These like boots and dripped out. Sure. Yo, I'm ready for the rainbow. Sure. Monkey. Pocket monkey. Bro, I love this update. This is cool. Okay, yeah, I'm probably gonna try and convince to get money for this. I really want some, really bad. The only thing I'm gonna get is this. Not that. That's way too expensive. Probably Pocket Monkey or boots. But I want boots. So, yeah. So, yeah, that's the end of this video. This was a really cool update. Now, before I actually end off this video, what if they had, like, Easter eggs or something in the maps? No, if they didn't, they should, because that would be really cool. They haven't really been updating maps this lately, so probably not going to check that. So, that's the end of today's video. And please subscribe and bye.